My name is Tyron Mangakahia and I'm the Global Head of Security. I'm the Security Director for Dole Asia Holdings. So I cover the globally Dole businesses. In Dole, we, as you can see behind me, we're the pineapple people. So we have many other business types with banana and avocado, but here we predominantly have a business, a global supply chain with pineapples, where we supply pineapples across the world. Well, Dole in the Philippines has two main business units. One is Dole Phil. We have around about 30,000 employees, including contractors. Stamp Philco is our other business partner, business entity, and another 30,000. So we're a very large organization in the Philippines. My role as the Director of Security is to deliver strategic high-level strategy for protecting the business and our people and our supply chain. So I do that by implementing processes, policy, and also technology to support the business. And that's predominantly my role. We have a team on the ground in each country that has security managers, and we implement an international standard, and we support that standard by utilizing technology such as Zoho and other types of technologies, of course. In the industry, one of the main challenges that we see across the globe in security is escalation of incidents. So one of the things that we have, and one of the problems, is our security teams are not well trained. Unlike law enforcement, my background is policing, we have significant training. So what I'm able to do with Zoho Creator is develop the system so it actually supports the security team in the field. Drop-down menus. Before AI started, it generated incident reporting. So the challenges we have also extend to not having visibility. So the instant escalation is one thing, but visibility across the business, particularly if it's a large business. And mostly I want to see things happening that are happening in Africa, in the Philippines, in the US, across my portfolio. So that's where Zoho Creator comes in. It gives me the visibility. It addresses the challenges that the security industry have with training of their security guards and the ability to escalate.
I am Jaime Serna III, the Security Manager of Dole Philippines Incorporated, and I am responsible for the security operations of the company, both fresh and canning operations. We have this manual reporting, thereby we cannot get real-time escalation from the security team, and we cannot act immediately because of this manual process.
By June 15, I had developed the first two applications, and it's 12 months now, we've got 20 modules. So when we need an application, it usually takes me about 2 days to develop an application. And if I have a challenge with that application, the complexity, I just reach out to our Zoho partner, Techno Set, and they look over my code and away we go. Usually, the good thing about the Zoho Creator is that we don't have to be perfect to deploy it. Okay, we build it, we deploy it, and we work out the bugs as we go. And so that's one of the major benefits of doing it internally. We're calling the application ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning Zoho Creator application. And what I tend to do, I started off with developing the incident management system, very critical to our organization. The escalation of incidents is important, but also what this application does, it finds who is responsible for the process flow, and it will identify that person and send them a root cause analysis. So it's quite a complex application. And then from there, we've built the task management, because KPIs are important. Our teams, we expect them to do upward of 2 to 3 million tasks every year, probably more with our guards. And as we find gaps, these are the manual process gaps that create problems and perhaps provide opportunity for exploitation, fraud, and loss. I then develop other modules. So right now we have something like 20 modules we've developed in the last 12 months to support different parts of the business and workflow, from security to safety, transport management, even the operation of our drone command center. We have our scientific team. We've built a module for them to do soil sampling and our scientific laboratories. So they now have visibility on that process. Our transport team have visibility on the queuing of vehicles, the number of vehicles arriving, and will soon have visibility on the dispatching of vehicles and the yield and volume that the vehicles are carrying, which we did not have in the past. So that's just a few of the departments off the top of my head: the agriculture, transport, scientific, security and safety. Predominantly the users are our security team. A lot of the data is shared across the business. So I think that the simplicity of the system, we've made it so there's many drop down. They don't have to think about what they put in the system puts it in itself. And then the escalation, previously they would have to call someone, send an email, follow up. Now the system does it all. It also even does the follow-up processes. And so generally, you'll be able to talk to the team that are utilizing it, how important it is and how it's changed the way that they deliver security. I think you'll find it's quite astounding. It's a game changer. There's two types of return on investment, so ROI, I'm looking for, and I build them into the apps. One is prevented losses or recovered losses. So as we look through our incident management, we can see that we've prevented a loss or recovered a loss. There's a monetary value to that. So we can put it into the Zoho Creator, and it captures that into our analytics. The other area for return on investment is KPIs. So the productivity of your security team. So if we're employing a team and it's costing us X amount of $1 million for external service providers, we need to understand what they're doing every single day. And we have that capability in the analytics to see what they're doing, because every task they do helps us to understand the risk level to our company.
We have saved at least 90% of our time using this digital transformation. And the efficiency of this digital transformation is very helpful in our daily operational needs.
To integrate into SAP, very important for our business. We plan to have much more complexity in the back end, and that's where our Zoho Creator, Zoho Partner, Techno Set will come in. I think that delivering the service across, right now we're utilizing it mostly in the Philippines, but we have businesses in the US and Africa. They will then be incorporated into the system. We want to integrate with our other technologies, our CCTV. We have the very first drone control room for agriculture. We want to integrate the AI functionality and bring it straight into the Zoho Creator, so that a lot of the information from AI from the drones will then be directly placed inside the Creator, where we can generate autonomously the incident reporting and certain reports. I think that's where we're heading with Zoho Creator. I don't think, my experience with Zoho Creator is that there is nothing you cannot do with Zoho Creator.